Hello everyone. Before diving into today's topic, we want to take a moment to thank you for your support. Every like, comment, and subscription truly makes a difference and helps this channel grow. If you enjoy our content and don't want to miss future videos, subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell to receive all updates. A recent discovery in the field of astronomy has attracted the attention of scientists and space enthusiasts around the world for its uniqueness and the challenge it poses to our understanding of planetary system formation and dynamics. Astronomers have identified an exoplanet, named 2M1510b, that orbits a system composed of two brown dwarfs, but it does so in a completely atypical way. Its orbit is perpendicular to the plane in which the two brown dwarfs orbit each other. Instead of revolving around the stars in a nearly circular motion along a disk-like plane, like the planets in our solar system, this planet moves along a trajectory that repeatedly takes it above and below the system's main plane, as if it were constantly jumping from one pole to the other. This kind of configuration, known as a polar orbit, is extremely rare and, in the context of binary systems with exoplanets, had never been observed before. Most of the planets discovered so far follow orbits aligned with the equatorial plane of their stars, which is consistent with current theories of planetary formation. Planets form within protoplanetary disks, flat structures of gas and dust that rotate around a young star or star system. The orientation of these orbits reflects the conservation of angular momentum of the original material from which everything formed. However, the presence of a planet like 2M1510b on a polar orbit suggests that something significant occurred after its formation, an event capable of completely diverting its path and placing it on such an inclined trajectory. The two brown dwarfs around which 2M1510b orbits are themselves extraordinary objects. With masses between about 13 and 80 times that of Jupiter, they are too massive to be simply giant planets, but too small to ignite and sustain hydrogen nuclear fusion in their cores, which excludes them from the category of true stars. These celestial bodies represent a blurred boundary between the classes of objects we are used to categorizing with distinct names, and their existence shows how traditional scientific categories can prove flexible and challenged by observational data. The fact that two of these brown dwarfs are found in a tight binary system, and that they can host a significantly sized planet on such a peculiar orbit, adds further complexity to an already fascinating picture. The discovery of 2M1510b, which joins a growing list of known extrasolar worlds, is particularly noteworthy not only for its rarity but also for what it implies about the dynamic forces that can act on a planetary system over time. It is highly unlikely that the planet formed directly on a perpendicular orbit. The most plausible explanation is that, after its formation, something gradually or suddenly pushed it out of the original plane. This something could have been another massive body, perhaps a second planet that was later ejected from the system or destroyed, or an external gravitational perturbation caused by a passing star or a third brown dwarf. Some scientists suggest that the mechanism responsible for this orbital deviation could be described by the so-called Kozai-Lidov effect, a dynamic process that can lead to large variations in the inclination and eccentricity of an orbit when an orbiting body is influenced by the gravity of another distant but massive object. This type of gravitational interaction is known in three-body systems and can lead to extremely inclined orbital configurations, even up to 90 degrees. It is also possible that the original protoplanetary disk was inclined from the beginning due to external forces, such as interaction with a surrounding molecular cloud or misaligned magnetic fields, which could have led to the formation of planets already born with orbits out of the brown dwarf's plane. But even in this case, a polar configuration remains a very rare event. It is interesting to observe how discoveries of this kind help redefine what we consider normal in the universe. For centuries, and especially in recent decades, our view of planetary systems has been heavily influenced by the structure of the solar system. A set of planets neatly arranged around a star, with stable, regular, and mostly aligned orbits. This configuration has provided the theoretical foundation to develop models of planetary formation and has influenced our expectations about what other systems in the cosmos should look like. However, the exploration of thousands of extrasolar systems has taught us that the universe is much more varied and unpredictable than we could have imagined. We have discovered giant planets that orbit extremely close to their parent stars in less than a day, worlds that travel in highly elliptical orbits, planets that orbit in the opposite direction of their star's rotation, and even solitary planets, wandering in interstellar space without a star to orbit. And now, with 2M1510b, a new and fascinating piece is added to the puzzle. A world that moves vertically around two brown dwarfs, as if following its own geometric pattern independent of that of its stars. This discovery invites us to consider that the evolution of a planetary system can be much more tumultuous and dynamic than previously hypothesized. Interactions, collisions, perturbations, and instabilities can profoundly alter the initial arrangement of celestial bodies, leading to outcomes that at first glance appear as exceptions but that, in reality, may be much more common than we imagine. It is possible that many other planets with inclined orbits have already been observed but misinterpreted, or that they are difficult to detect with current techniques, which are more sensitive to planar orbits. The case of 2M1510b also demonstrates how important it is to continue developing more advanced observation tools and more flexible theoretical models, capable of adapting to the data, not the other way around. Every discovered planet, especially the strangest and most unexpected ones, is an open window onto possibilities we don't yet know. And precisely thanks to these exceptions, we can improve our understanding of the fundamental laws that govern the universe. In the end, every anomaly is an opportunity. A push to look deeper, to ask new questions, to imagine scenarios that go beyond the ordinary. In this sense, 2M1510b is not just a planet with a peculiar orbit. It is a symbol of the universe's ability to continue surprising us, and of our need to keep an open mind every time we turn our gaze toward the stars.